How to get an insurance quote. Getting an insurance quote is a crucial step in finding the right coverage for your needs. Insurance quotes provide estimates of potential costs and coverage options, helping you make informed decisions. Here's a detailed guide on how to get a quote for different types of insurance, including auto, home, life, health, and more. Identify the type of insurance you need. Different insurance types serve different purposes. Identify which one you need. Auto insurance covers vehicles for liability, collision, and comprehensive damage. Homeowners insurance protects your home and belongings against damage or theft. Renters insurance covers personal property in a rented property. Health insurance pays for medical expenses. Life insurance provides financial security to beneficiaries in case of death. Business insurance protects businesses from various risks. Gather necessary information. Insurance companies require specific information to generate a quote accurately. Prepare the following: personal information, full name, date of birth, address, and social security number. Insurance history, current or past policies, claims history, and coverage limits. Assets, information, details about the property, vehicle, or business you're insuring. Health information for health charm life insurance, medical history, lifestyle habits, and pre-existing conditions. Research insurance providers. Identify reputable insurance providers that offer the type of coverage you need. Consider both national companies and local providers. Customer reviews, claim satisfaction ratings, and financial strength should influence your decision. Decide how you want to get the quote. You can obtain quotes through various methods. Online, most major insurance providers have online tools for instant quotes. By phone, speak directly with an insurance agent for personalized assistance. In person, visit local agents for a more customized experience. Comparison websites, platforms that allow you to compare multiple quotes simultaneously, provide accurate information. Accurate information ensures your quote reflects the true cost of your potential coverage. For example, when seeking auto insurance, you'll need your driving history and vehicle details, while life insurance may require health records. Review the coverage options and terms. Insurance quotes often come with multiple coverage levels. Compare options based on coverage limits, the maximum amount the policy will pay for covered claims. Deductibles, the amount you must pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. Exclusions, situations or events not covered by the policy. Optional add-ons, additional coverage like roadside assistance, umbrella insurance, or accidental death benefits. Ask about discounts and savings. Insurance companies offer various discounts to reduce your premium, such as bundling discounts, combining home and auto insurance. Safe driver, discount for drivers with clean records. Loyalty, discount for long-term policy holders. Good student discount, available to students with high academic performance. Compare quotes across providers. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Get quotes from multiple companies to compare premium costs, deductibles and coverage limits, additional features and discounts. Finalize and purchase the policy. After choosing the best option, confirm coverage details and exclusions. Provide any additional documentation requested by the insurer. Make the initial payment to activate the policy. Getting insurance quotes regularly, even when you're not purchasing a new policy, can help you stay informed about potential savings and ensure your coverage remains adequate for your needs.